This time on One Man's Trash, we're going to do some welding. My side step on my pickup's a little wobbly, so I'm going to add a brace to it and see if we can get that to where you can step on it and not feel like you're going to fall off. Always remember when welding your safety gear. You got your welding mask, your protective gloves, your safety Crocs, your safety shorts. So make sure you got all your proper gear when welding. And of course, grab the finest piece of scrap you have laying around your side yard. And if you're serious about welding like me, then you go to Harbor Freight and you buy the cheapest piece of junk you can buy for a welder. Okay, so when setting up your welder, obviously you got your big on switch. You got your min max. I don't know what all these dials do. Honestly, I just turn it up to max, and this is your wire speed, so we'll just put it. Sure, that's good. We'll set it right there in the middle and just start welding. Okay. Clamp this. Let's work around. there's the piece I welded in. Kind of hard to see, but that's fine because the welds are hideous. But it's in there, it's strong. Then of course the most important tool of any welding job that I do is some nice thick paint to hide all the ugly welds. See, when you use the really thick chunky paint, you can't tell where the paint ends and the crappy welds begin. In all seriousness, guys, don't do what I do. Just get the proper safety equipment and learn how to weld from somebody who knows how to weld. I get by with minimal skill, but get somebody who knows what they're doing and ask them for help.